unboxing review, and I've got two packages today, and I want to check them out and show you guys what I picked up. Alright guys, and this is the first one we're going to open, and let's check out what we've picked up on the Japanese website. And this is going to be a very cool project. I think it's going to be an awesome project, and you'll see in a minute what this is. And this one is really beat up. You can see that aside. This is a very beat up Protectabot blades. Now the reason I picked this up was because I thought that it was a good price, but beyond that, the fact that the blades are intact was amazing to me. For as yellow as this toy is, now this toy is super loose, but we're going to be restoring that. We're going to be tightening bolts and joints and everything. So we're going to be restoring this, but we're going to change. This is going to be a custom restore, and that's what we're going to be doing with this guy. And if you know what Protectabot Blades is, he is a Huey helicopter. He's one of the helicopters that was widely used in the Vietnam War. And we're going to restore him, but we're going to change the color on this guy. And I hope it comes out the way I'm looking forward to it. But I need to find a replacement ski, or in other words, this entire arm here. But without further ado, let's just transform him. Put this up, slide those down, put these, oh that's pretty, okay, there you go. You open up his head, slide out his arms. This toy is super loose. I'm hoping we can restore him and make him look really cool. Again, this part right there is very, very loose. You can see the difference between that white and the yellow white, but I'm not worried about the color because we're going to be changing it. Okay, so that's Blades, and that's all he does. Now to become the combiner limb mode, you just simply do that. I'm assuming that's about it right there. But that's it. Okay, for the next one, let's put that aside. The next one, it's nothing big, it's nothing amazing, but it is something that you guys are all very familiar with, and that is, sorry guys, okay, and sorry. Okay, and all right. Okay, there we go. And I don't know what this is. It's a whole lot of trash. Okay, sorry guys. And more trash. More trash. More trash. And here we are. Wow, that's pretty heavy. And so that's this right here. Let's you guys might even know what it is already. I think you guys know. You guys definitely know what that is. And here we are. An authentic, vintage, original G1 Japanese Optimus Prime. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I picked this little guy up for just a few bucks. And yeah, you can see all that die-cast metal there. You can see the bumper is intact. They're usually cracked. It is discolored, but we're going to have to do something about that. All of the chrome is really worn off. These stickers are worn off. We are going to be restoring this guy. So, you know, those wheels too. Yeah, they're nice. Okay, so let's quickly transform him. Now, I don't have his fist yet, but I do hope that we can make either replacements or find originals. But anyway, so as you can see, that is really, really bad. Anyway, so here is Optimus Prime, and wow, that wheel. That is very strange. It looks like it melted or something. It got squeezed. It's a very strange. The wheel here is squeezed. But anyway, sorry guys. There's a lot of flaking going on. Wow, that's pretty bad. Anyway, put his fist down and let's finish him off by popping up his head. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is an very hard to. What is going on? For some reason. Oh, okay, there we go. I'm guessing. Oh, yeah, it's cracked on the inside. Well, regardless, we'll still be able to fix him. But there you go, guys. I mean, this is as beat as they come. This is a die-cast toy. And we're going to have to do a lot of work to bring this sucker back to life. Okay, but as you can see, he doesn't even want to stand right. But there you go. That is a very true battle-damaged Optimus Prime. And so there is scuffing around the face, but again, this is an authentic, original Japanese G1 Optimus Prime. And I feel bad about these joints not staying. That might be a tricky section right there. Some of it is loose. We'll have to figure out what we're going to do with it. But anyway, I think we can do something with it. We're going to have to dismantle this sucker all the way through. I know this section, these pins are going to be tricky. But anyway, that's going to be a future restoration there. So Optimus Prime and blades here. So like I said, you know, these two are in dire need of restoration. And like I mentioned before, we're waiting for another few packages with Transformers in them. Same condition, all beat up. And like I mentioned, we are going to start doing restorations for die-cast Transformers. Now, unfortunately, this one particular, this blades did not have the die-cast, and I can't remember whether the Protectobots had die-cast in them or not. If you do know the answer, please comment down below. But once again, I'd like to thank you for coming to the 5-Hour Show, watching our Transformers unboxing. I'd like to ask you to please consider subscribing to the channel. Please comment, share, like, and let us know what you think. we will be trying to make better and cooler content for the future. Thank you once again for watching, and God bless you all. Take care and roll out.